With the Testo 350, you can easily and efficiently perform exhaust gas measurements on industrial plants, for example exhaust gas analysis on cyclone preheating furnaces in a cement works. The cyclone preheaters here consist of 4 cyclone stages arranged one above the other in the tower, which is about 100 meters high, and through which the exhaust gas from the actual furnace flows from bottom to top. The raw meal is added in the top stage and heated to the gas temperature floating in the counterflowing exhaust gas. In the cyclone, the raw meal is separated from the gas at higher temperatures in each stage. The limestone contained in the raw meal is partially deacidified in the process. This means that the carbon dioxide is expelled and calcium oxide is formed. The exhaust gas leaves the preheater at a temperature of 280 to 350 degrees Celsius. The practical Testo 350 can be used effortlessly at any measuring location in the plant for exhaust gas analysis. The Testo 350 consists of the analysis box with the removable control unit. To prepare for the exhaust gas measurement, plug the exhaust gas probe onto the connection socket of the Testo 350 and lock it in place. A combustion temperature sensor can be connected via the separate socket. After switching on via the control unit, the start screen of the Testo 350 is activated. The control unit now searches for connected analyzer units and shows these as independent tabs in the display. In addition, different measurement objects can be selected. Typical fuels, a meaningful sequence of flue gas parameters in the display, and useful instrument settings are preset for each selection. Instructions in the display take the user through the measurement, so that no prior knowledge specific to the instrument is required. Thus, the Testo 350 is ready for use within a few minutes and the measurement can be started. Zeroing of the gas sensors is performed before a measurement. Zero point and drift of the sensors are checked. The O2 value is set to 21% O2. Make sure that the ambient air is free of interfering gases, e.g. CO or NO, during the zeroing phase. The industrial probe with pre-filter is used for this measurement. This is connected directly to the exhaust duct of the plant. The probe tip should be in the center of the flue. Now the exhaust gas measurement can be started by pressing the middle button, green arrow. The measurement is ended by pressing the center button again. Via the menu item option/save, the measurement is saved under the previously selected folder. So you too can use the Testo 350 to carry out exhaust gas measurements on industrial plants easily and efficiently.